On January 15th, the 31st Civil Division of the Seoul Central District Court held the final hearing for two related lawsuits: HYBE's suit seeking confirmation of the termination of the shareholders' agreement, and Hee Jin's countersuit demanding payment related to the exercise of her put option. During the hearing, HYBE emphasized that it had accommodated nearly all of Hee Jin's requests since the founding of ADOR, claiming it invested approximately $21 billion, around $16 million, to support New Jeans and offered Min unusually generous compensation. HYBE argued that Hee Jin deliberately planned legal action and a public opinion campaign to pressure the company into selling ADOR shares, while also seeking potential investors to acquire those shares. This was not mere imagination or casual chatter confined to KakaoTalk messages, HYBE stated, asserting that the actions were intentional and concrete. The company added that trust between the parties had been irreparably damaged. It is impossible to continue cooperating with a party who has deliberately caused harm and destroyed trust, HYBE said, urging the court to make a decision based on objective evidence rather than speculation. Hee Jin's legal team strongly refuted these claims. They argued that HYBE selectively edited and dramatized private KakaoTalk conversations to fit its narrative. According to Min's side, she neither possessed the equity necessary to seize control of ADOR nor met with investors to pursue such a plan. Hee Jin's representatives framed the case as an attempt by HYBE to discipline or control its subsidiary label, insisting that HYBE's accusations are based on assumptions rather than verified facts. Please do not be swayed by the plaintiff's storytelling, which mocks and distorts private conversations, her legal team told the court. At the center of the dispute is the validity of the shareholders' agreement and Hee Jin's right to exercise her put option. Under the contract, Min could receive an estimated $26 billion if she exercised the option. HYBE maintains that the agreement had already been terminated 4 months prior, making the put option invalid. Hee Jin, however, insists the contract was still in effect and that she is legally entitled to the payment. HYBE has consistently argued that Hee Jin planned to take New Jeans out of the company, while Min has repeatedly denied any such intention. The court has officially closed arguments and announced that its ruling will be delivered on February 12th. As one of the most closely watched corporate and entertainment lawsuits in Korea, the verdict is expected to have far-reaching implications for label governance, artist management, and power dynamics within the K-pop industry.